What's up, guys? Welcome to another edition of Market Marauders, beating the market one trade at a time. If you're new to Market Marauders, investment channel helps you find the best deals in the market. If that's something you're interested in, make sure you smash the subscribe button down below, like, comment, and share. Now, title, yes, is correct. Trump is planning on banning TikTok. So if you're not familiar with TikTok, it's an app formed from Musically, sort of like Snapchat, where people can make videos. Has a large following. A lot of people have the app. I myself have the app, and it's a lot of fun way, almost like Instagram, but I think TikTok's a little more involved than IG is. But on Friday, Trump was planning to uh, ban the whole platform. But it gets pretty interesting because Microsoft said that they want to, are in talks on buying TikTok itself. So, this is an investment channel, so we're going to look at the investment side of it and what the implications of that actually means for Microsoft and for, the economy as a whole and how this is being influenced. So I'm going to read some of these articles. So let's jump into some of this. It says, as far as TikTok is concerned, we're banning them from the United States, Trump said to reporters while aboard Air Force One. And the reason that they're talking about banning it is because it's a Chinese source app. There are a lot of security issues that are going along with the app that people have been talking about. And, it's not really regulated too much. So if you go to like IG, they're not really like any malicious attacks to things that are on IG or things of that nature. But this app is kind of like out of the US's control because it's not solely based there. So the U.S. government is considering a national security review of TikTok, prepared to make policy recommendation to Trump. Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin told reporters this week the White House ByteDance has been considering changes to its corporate structure and are reportedly already seen looking into possibly of selling majority stake in TikTok. Microsoft is in talks to acquire TikTok, according to the New York Times, citing a person with knowledge of discussions. Microsoft declined to comment to CNN Business. Trump firmly rejected the idea of potential spin-off deal satisfying national security concerns. The app has exploded in popularity, becoming the first Chinese social media platform to gain significant traction with users outside of the home country. It was downloaded 315 million times in the first 3 months of this year. So a lot of people are using the app. Um, Tons of people are on there. If you're familiar with the personality Charlie D'Amelio, she basically became famous off of the app itself. So, a large following is made of a lot of people famous. And there's a huge potential upside for, marketing products to people and, people becoming overnight sensations from this app. Going to an article from Forbes says if Microsoft pays $5 billion for TikTok America, buy the stock. Um, you know, Reading some of this, basically talks about some of the same thing. It says if the deal goes through for roughly $5 billion, I estimate TikTok's U.S. operations are worth. You should buy Microsoft shares. It says why? Question mark. With LinkedIn slowing down, posting 10% growth in June ending quarter, the triple-digit acceleration of TikTok's user base could add oomph to Microsoft's top line. That statement I do agree with. You got to think TikTok is kind of a younger demographic. LinkedIn is more of an older demographic. Yes, there are younger people on both, but LinkedIn is more of like finding jobs, social networking, finding professional. Um, Network of people, whereas TikTok is more of social. A lot of younger people use it, and I think if you could merge those two aspects together, it can make Microsoft stand out with the younger demographic as well as with the larger demographic. You also have to look at the fact that Microsoft has Xbox, which is kind of a social media platform itself, in the gaming world. So you're kind of merging three different social media aspects together to kind of solidify the company as being one around social media and not just a company that just makes sole products. So What does this mean for the stock? The stock is currently at 205.01. That's where it ended the week. So, it could potentially go up. If we look at here, the moving average 10 is 201.90, moving average 50 is 202.86, and the moving average 100 is 203.72. The VWAP is 202.51, so it started to break out towards the end of the day on the market on Friday, and then towards the end of the day, it kind of rallied up. But I definitely see potential of this, actually happening as far as the market is concerned, the stock going up. Now, whether they buy it or they don't buy it, is kind of not up to to us as the investors. But there's a saying out there that says, buy the rumors, sell the news. So whether they buy it or not, the rumors are still out there that Microsoft could potentially buy it. So I believe on Monday, Microsoft will definitely run up quite a bit. To what levels it'll get to, I don't know. But if we look at the line on here, zoom in some on this line, we can see that there were a little bit of a bearish pattern. I say that because the moving average 10 line is below the moving average 50 line. And the VWAP has crossed the moving average 10 line. But if we look on here, they ended the week above all three of those metrics. Now, if we see when the market opens that this moving average 10 line start to go across this moving average 50 line and this moving average 100 line, then I would say, okay, yeah, you confirm that it is a bullish pattern upwards. And, what does that mean? Options for calls definitely will go up. That premium will go up. So probably potential to make some money off of this just on the rumors that Microsoft may buy it. And then also you got to think a lot of millennials or a lot of younger demographic people use TikTok, and especially trade stocks as well. So, this is one thing that they actually know about. So, a lot of money could be fed into Microsoft on the hopes that they would buy TikTok. Drop a comment down below. Tell me what you guys think. Do you think Microsoft's going to go up? Do you think it'll stay stagnant? Do you think that it's beneficial for Microsoft to buy TikTok? Or do you think it's just going to be banned altogether? All right, good luck trading out there. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Thank you.